Money and currency are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct differences. Money is a general term used to refer to any item that is widely accepted as a means of exchange for goods and services. Currency, on the other hand, refers specifically to the physical notes and coins that are issued by a government as a form of money. One key difference between money and currency is that money can take many forms, while currency is limited to physical notes and coins. For example, gold and silver have been used as money for thousands of years, and today, digital forms of money such as cryptocurrency are becoming increasingly popular. Currency, however, is always a physical item issued by a government. Another difference is that money has a store of value, while currency does not have a store of value. Money can retain its value over time, whereas currency can lose its value over time due to inflation. Money is also a medium of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. Currency is just medium of exchange and unit of account. One example of this would be in a country experiencing hyperinflation, where the local currency becomes nearly worthless in a very short period of time. In such cases, people will often turn to using foreign currency or commodities such as gold as a store of value. In conclusion, while currency and money are closely related, they are distinct concepts. Money is a general term that refers to any widely accepted means of exchange, while currency refers specifically to physical notes and coins issued by a government. Money has a store of value and can take many forms, while currency is limited to physical notes and coins and does not have a store of value. Second example of the difference between money and currency can be seen in Venezuela. In the early 2000s, Venezuela's economy was heavily dependent on oil exports, and when the price of oil began to drop, the government began printing more money to cover its expenses. This led to hyperinflation, where the value of the local currency, the Bolívar, dropped rapidly. At its worst, the inflation rate reached over 1,000,000% per year, making the Bolívar nearly worthless. As a result, people in Venezuela began using other forms of money, such as the US dollar, as a means of exchange and store of value. The US dollar became the de facto currency of Venezuela, despite the fact that it is not officially recognized by the government. In this situation, US dollar was the money and Bolívar was the currency. As a result, many businesses began pricing their goods and services in US dollars, and people began using US dollars to pay for everything from groceries to rent. The US dollar was widely accepted as a means of exchange, and it retained its value, while the Bolívar lost its value rapidly. I request you please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.